Hey there, termite tamers! Ever wondered why the termite queen is so ginormous? Well, you're in luck because today we're diving deep into the fascinating world of these tiny yet mighty insects. Now, before we unveil the secrets of the queen, let's understand her role in the colony. She's not just a figurehead, she's the life force behind the entire termite community. In a termite colony, the queen reigns supreme. She's the matriarch, the mother of all termites, and her main job, you guessed it, laying eggs. The termite queen is absolutely massive compared to her subjects, but why? Well, it all comes down to efficiency and survival. The size of the termite queen is directly related to her reproductive capacity. That's right, the termite queen is like a living egg factory, churning out thousands, even millions of eggs in her lifetime. And her size allows her to store more sperm from the male termites, maximizing genetic diversity within the colony. But here's another fascinating fact: the termite queen's size isn't fixed. So the next time you come across a termite mound and marvel at its intricate architecture, remember to tip your hat to the true powerhouse behind it all, the mighty termite queen. Thanks for watching, termite tamers. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your fellow insect enthusiasts. Until next time, stay curious.